Knorr's spinach dip is such a classic vegetable dip, so here's a reminder of what to have on hand and some tips for making it, whether using fresh or frozen spinach. For fresh spinach, you need 16 ounces. So if you buy the pre-washed 10-ounce bags, just use approximately 1.5 and throw in several more leaves. Pinch off the stems and to shift and odds, stack several leaves on top of one another. Roll them beginning at the stem end. Then cut the roll into thin slices. Whether cooking raw spinach or defrosting frozen, fill 2/3 of a medium saucepan with water, bring to a boil, then add a teaspoon of salt. Cook raw spinach for 3 minutes, then squeeze dry with one of the two options ahead. Defrost frozen spinach the same way. Keep all ingredients below 40 degrees and above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When serving, remove after 2 hours. If you're using a larger bag of frozen spinach, 10 ounces is 3 cups. So you can just scoop out 3 cups and heat 1 minute to defrost. Then drain and squeeze dry. Okay, here are 2 options. Option 1 is to use cheesecloth over a colander, but I think this way is gross and messy. Option 2 is the best way. Drain through a fine mesh sieve, place parchment over the top, then a hot pad, and it is so easy and clean to squeeze the spinach dry. And your hands in the hot pad stay totally clean. Then fluff with a fork and cool in the refrigerator while you do some chopping. Drain and chop an 8-ounce can of water chestnuts, rough cut, approximately this size. Then chop 3 scallions into 1/4 to 1/2 inch pieces using the firm green ends below the pre-cut ends. Then cut the roots off and mince the remaining actual onion. Now you can bring out all of your ingredients that should have been in the refrigerator at 40 degrees or below. 10 ounces of spinach, a 16-ounce container of sour cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 packet of Knorr vegetable recipe mix, an 8-ounce can of water chestnuts, drained and chopped, and 3 chopped scallions. Mix very well and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Stir well before serving and discard after 2 hours. Share with everyone below what you serve it with. And you gotta make this. To see all of my videos, don't forget to click subscribe.